Hi, friends. Today I want to talk with you about something that every family with significant wealth should consider: how to prepare your children and grandchildren to inherit it. A well known 20-year study by the Williams Group found that 70% of families lose their wealth by the second generation and 90% by the third. The issue isn't just investing, it's preparing the next generations who will inherit. Step one is to begin an ongoing dialogue. Too often, families avoid money conversations until it's too late. But having age appropriate discussions about values, responsibility, and what money really means to your family is essential. It's not just about the numbers, it's about the purpose. Step two is giving the next generation hands-on experience. Let them practice managing money before they inherit it. That might mean responsibility for a budget, charitable giving, or being involved in family investment discussions. At Persilium, we often work with our clients' children and grandchildren to open an investment account, giving them a safe way to gain experience with real decisions before the stakes are much higher. Step three is to put context around your estate plan. Wills and trusts tell your heirs what to do. A legacy letter or a family mission statement tells them why. That added context can make the difference between resentment and responsibility. Preparing the next generation isn't just about transferring wealth effectively. It's about transferring wisdom. And the earlier you start, the smoother the transition will be. If you'd like help creating a plan that prepares your family, not just financially, but emotionally, let's start that conversation. We have also hosted many multi-generational family meetings over the years to facilitate these critical discussions. Thank you, and I look forward to talking with you next Friday morning.